So in this week's episode of Make It with Calvin, we're actually out here in Moss Landing, California, and we're going to be trying out some of the 3D printed stuff that I've made for the kayak. Case in point, the upgraded grips. I actually made some drip rings, and I've got an updated anchor. So let's actually get out there a little bit and get some paddling time in. But man, this is nice. Water all over the lens. Okay, so here we are out in the water at Moss Landing. I've kind of found a quiet spot to drop anchor where I don't appear like I'm in any boating lanes and I'm not too close to anything that's protected. That being said though, I thought now would be a good opportunity to talk about the grips and also the drip rings that I made. Now as for the grips, this will be the first time I'm trying out the longer version, and I have to say these things kick butt. I actually went out and did a little bit of open water paddling, and I know it's mostly psychological, but knowing that I have a really good grip on the oars really helps me feel like I can go out there and actually do some crazy stuff and not have to worry as much about, oh, great, am I gonna lose grip on the oars and I'm screwed. Now the other thing is I didn't have time to attach a string yet, but I do have the anchor line, if you will, for this, and there's a kayak rental place out here, and ironically enough, they also have a similar setup for their oars, so I completely understand why. That being said though, I did also come up with some drip rings. I mentioned this a little bit in the design video on this, but I have to say I'm actually pretty impressed with these. I just went with a really simple disc design that has some grooves cut into it, and I really like that. So as a demonstration, I'll dip my oar in the water, and you can see the water hits the ring, but it's dripping right off. And sure, it dripped into the kayak, but this is a lot drier than it normally is. And when it comes to printing things, especially in TPU, simplicity is your best friend. I looked online and figured out that a lot of drip rings are actually quite simple. I know that there's, ones that are curved and a lot of fancy stuff, but I wanted to make them as simple to print as possible, and that's why I went with that design. Now, I might come up with ones that are a little bit bigger, maybe ones that are a little bit smaller, but I have to say though, I'm very happy with what I've come up with. So as for me, I'm gonna just enjoy the rest of my time out here paddling, and I'll see you guys here. Ooh, that was a seal. I will see you guys here next time on Make It with Calvin. If you guys have any good kayak 3D printing suggestions, let me know. I am all ears. And what the heck are you doing over there, buddy? There's a seal that you probably can't see on my chest cam. It's coming on up, and hey buddy, is smacking the water with his fin. Okay, he's not coming for me, that's good. All right, so as for me, I'm out here, I'm just gonna enjoy my time. I've got a seal doing I don't know what off to the side. There's birds, it's just incredible out here. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my time out here. If you guys have any good 3D printing suggestions for this kayak, please let me know. I will be more than happy to, you know, see what I can do. So, all right, see you guys later.